Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Fadila Ayu Oktaviani. My name is 152500035. Today I would like to talk about a topic that is often discussed, smoking in campus area. Nowadays, many universities already have no smoking policies. However, in reality, we can still find many people smoking in those areas. Smoke on campus is clearly not allowed. A campus should be a comfortable and healthy environment for students to learn and study. Unfortunately, many people still ignore this rule. Cigarette smoke is not only harmful to active smokers but also to passive smokers. Imagine sitting in the campus area and suddenly you smell cigarette from someone nearby. It's quite disturbing, isn't it? Besides they're uncomfortable, it is also bad for our health. That's why smokers need to realize the impact of their action. On the other hand, I also understand that for some people smoking is their personal right. They might feel that they should have a place to smoke without bothering others. In my opinion, the best solution is not just to make the rules stricter, but to provide a special smoking area that is located far from public space. This way, everyone can feel fair and comfortable. So, that's all from me. I hope this can be a reminder for us to create healthier and more respectful campus environment. And don't forget to watch continue of this video. Thank you guys. Hello everyone, today I will explain about simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is a form of tense that is used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or are usually carried out in the present. The present tense is used when someone wants to express an event or a general fact that is happening right now. And then, characteristic of simple present tense. 1. Use a verb in its basic form, infinitive or a familiar auxiliary verbs. 2. Use auxiliary verbs, namely do or does, for verbal sentences in negative and interrogative forms. And 3. In the present tense, there are usually adverbs of time. Function of simple present tense. 1. General truth. General truth is stating a truth that is generally known. For example, weather freezes at 0 degrees. Cats are mammals. 2. Habit. Habit is expressing something that always happens repeatedly. For example, my father goes to work every weekday. I study with my friends every Sunday. We go to school by bus every morning. 3. Instruction. Instruction is giving orders or commands. For example, do not enter this area. Cook the noodles for 3 minutes. Close the door, please. 4. Express feelings and emotions. For example, I am sad. I am always thankful because I have a great best friend. And 5. Schedule events. Schedule event is discussing in the near future. For example, the train departs at 8 a.m. The bus will depart at 9 a.m. And then Formula of simple present tense. 1. Nominal simple present tense. Nominal simple present tense uses the verb be or is usually called to be. Nominal is a sentence that states an object, such as a person name, profession, place, or anything. The formula is positive subject plus to be plus complement. Negative subject plus to be plus not plus complement. Interrogative to be plus subject plus complement. Note: to be am for subject I. To be is for subject he, she, it. To be are for subject I, you, they, we. For example, you are nice, you are not nice. Are you nice? She is a doctor in hospital. She is not a doctor in hospital. Is she a doctor in hospital? And 2. Verbal simple present tense. Verbal simple present tense uses a verb that indicates an action. The formula is positive subject plus verb 1 plus s or es plus complement. Negative subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement. Interrogative, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. Not: do for are, you, they, we. Does for he, she, it. For example, I go to school in the morning. I do not go to school in the morning. Do I go to school in the morning? He buys a book. He does not buy a book. Does he buy a book? And then she plays piano. She does not play piano. Does she play piano? And then spelling rules. Most verb text s in the third person singular. Verb ending o, ss, ch, sh, x, and z. Then the verb is at es. For example, I miss become he misses. I finish become he finishes. I go become I goes. I mix become he makes. I watch become he watches. And then for verb ending a consonant plus y, then the verb is at ies. For example, I study become he studies. I cry become he cries. I carry become he carries. I try become he tries. And 3. For verb ending a vowel plus y, then the verb is at s. For example, I play become he plays. I pray become he prays. I buy become he buy. I say become he says. And then question of simple present tense. What? To ask about things. Where? To ask about place. Why? To ask about a reason. Who? To ask about a person. When? To ask about time. How? To ask about manner. For example, what do I play? Who do you play? When does he play? Where does he play? Why do we play? How do they play? And then adverbs of time in simple present tense. Adverbs of time like often, usually, sometimes, never, always, every day, every week, once a month. For example, he never forgot his smartphone. Do you usually come to the gym in the morning? I usually get him at midnight. I often study English. She sometimes goes to library. Example of affirmative simple present tense. I play football. You speak English. We eat 3 times a day. They study English twice a week. He speaks English. She goes to office every day. It works. And then example of negative simple present tense. I don't play football. You don't speak English. We don't eat 3 times a day. They don't study English twice a week. He doesn't speak English. She doesn't go to office every day. It doesn't work. And then example of interrogative simple present tense. Do I play football? Do you speak English? Do we eat 3 times a day? Do they study English twice a week? Does he speak English? Does she go to office every day? Does it work? And then that's all from me. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Thank you guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.